In this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a GIF on Android. To record this video, I'm using a Samsung S23 Plus, so please keep that in mind as the process for what I'm about to show you might look a little bit different depending on the type of Android device that you have. So the first thing I want you to do is to head over to your gallery and then look for the pictures that you want to make as part of your GIF. So as you can see, I've got 4 different pictures that I want to include into a single GIF. So what I'm going to do now is simply tap and hold on the first picture and then select the photos in order that I want them to appear in the GIF. So I'm going to select number 1, number 3, number 4, and then number 2. Then I'm going to go at the bottom of the screen and click on create right here, tap on that, and then click on GIF. So as you can see, these are my photos right here, and as you can see to the left hand side here, you can see 1 out of 4, that's the first picture, and then if I just play it, there you have the GIF created. Now of course you can play around with the settings here and basically edit it. You can also crop the images, you can set a timer, you can add emojis, texts, all sorts of things like that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to create a GIF on Android. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.